a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful.
Here we have a Honda valve cover. We have a factory one here, and the goal was to design a billet one. You can see this, the billet, the redesign is nicely colorful. So for test fitting, we got an actual Honda engine over here, and you can see here we 3D printed this in 2 sections because it's kind of big for the printer bed. But we 3D printed it. We're able to test fit it, make sure everything works properly. Oh, here we design cutouts, so that way that people are able to access the cams without removing the whole valve cover. And here we have the finished product. You can see the cutouts and everything. And we test fit this on a customer's car to make sure it doesn't leak with all the gaskets on and everything. You can see the gaskets here before putting it into production. And this one came out really nice.